200 Fidelat in 20 lectures. Ah! You only get to cheat this one time. Let me explain. It might feel a little bit overwhelming seeing these over 200 Fidelat in 20 lectures, half of this course, and having no idea where to start. So let me give you a tip. If you're a complete beginner, you should start with the ultimate easy win, learning how to write your name, even if it's just a nickname. For example, my nickname is Gaby. We're just gonna focus on the consonants in my name, so G and B. Based on that, using the Tigrinya eye test that I have down in the description for this video, you know that you need to watch lecture 18 about G Fidelat and lecture 11 about the B Fidelat. That way you can learn how to spell your name. What about the rest of the Fidelat? You can learn that as you go, like a code breaker. That's where you'll be if you're coming back to Tigrinya after a long hiatus, especially if you're in the diaspora and you haven't read in Gez for a while. Back to the Tigrinya eye test, you'll look at the eye test of the 6th form Fidelat without any reference and see which ones you recognize, write down the ones you don't recognize, then check the key so that you know which Fidel lectures that you have to watch. You're welcome. For those of you who are really nerdy and want to understand the linguistic side of how the Gez Abugida works, go ahead and watch the next video. If you're like, I don't need that, you can go ahead to the Fidelat lectures about how to write your name. Enjoy!